Today we are in the historic center of Celenza Sul Trigno, a small village situated in Abruzzo region at just 35 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and also close to the mountains. It is a lively village with all kinds of basic facilities. And this is part of the historic center. The property that we're gonna see today is this one here, but I wanted to show you the surroundings. Going this way you can reach the town center by foot. It's just 2 minutes walk, but also it is possible to reach this part of the historic center by car. It is possible to park your car here. And the town center is that way. And this is one of the parallel road of the main one with this beautiful panoramic view on the surrounding hills. And also that way you can enjoy a distant sea view, not at the moment because today is a bit hazy. Okay. It is a quiet, private little road close to the town center, but not near the busy areas. And the property is a townhouse completely made of stone with 2 entrances. This one can become the main entrance. I'm going to explain you why in a little bit. And the house avails of 4 floors. And this right now is the main entrance. So currently this is the main entrance. This one is the property that is for sale. This door here belongs to another property, but this one here could be closed, or you can put a wall and you won't need to use this entrance here. You will use only the other one that I showed you before. And this is the kitchen with dining area, the sitting corner. This here is the gas boiler, so the house avails of central heating system. You have a fully equipped kitchen. And this way, going down in a few steps, in the semi-basement floor, we have the sleeping area. This right here is the first double bedroom with built-in wardrobe. And also a balcony. As you can see, the windows are brand new and double glazed with mosquito nets. And this is the balcony with an amazing view on the mountains, surrounding hills, and a distant sea view. Proceeding this way, we find the first bathroom with a window, a bathtub, and sink. Here we have a small room that is now used as a small bedroom, but it can be converted into a walk-in closet or as a storage space. It has also the radiator and a window and some storage space up there. Proceeding this way, we find the rest of the house. Here there is some storage space below the staircase, and here is the living room with a wood burning oven in perfect conditions, perfect to cook bread, pizza, a window all double glazed and with mosquito nets, and a lovely fireplace. This room avails of vaulted ceilings, typical of stone houses, and this is the second entrance that can become the main one. And this is the staircase reaching the first floor. Find a small landing and another double bedroom with air conditioning and vaulted ceilings. This room also avails of a small balcony. And here we find an ensuite bathroom with shower. Now we can reach the second floor. Where we find another bedroom, a double bedroom with air conditioning, a closet, and another ensuite bathroom with a skylight and a big shower. This room also avails of another balcony with a beautiful panoramic view. This way you can enjoy beautiful mountain view, and that way a distant sea view. Now we are back in the living room, and through this door we can reach the basement floor where the cellar is located. The cellar avails of exposed stone. It is now used as a workshop, but previously was used as another bedroom. And also here you can find a big water tank, really handy in case of water shortage. This room is also, in this room you can also find another entrance from a small little suite on the side of the property. And here we have another bathroom with shower. With a window. And here under the stairs it is possible to place a washing machine, because the plumbing is already there. It was used for this reason. So this can also become a laundry room. This stone house is in perfect conditions, completely restored, avails of central heating system, all utilities are connected, also air conditioning in the bedrooms, and all windows and doors are brand new. If you need any other information, you can send an email to info@abruzzo ruralproperty.com.